Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will make coconut cream, coconut milk, and coconut oil. The coconut has 3 eyes. I'm going to show you how you get the water out of the eye of the coconut. I'm going to poke in here and see if that's the eye that looks in, the third eye. And that's it. See? So, we've gained entry into the coconut. That's it. You've opened your bottle of drink. Because this comes from the shop, I wouldn't advise drinking it right away. You put it into a bowl and take a look. You can see that it's very clear. So if you choose to drink it, then you can drink it right from the coconut. Because when you see that the water is clear, it means the water inside is clear. Because sometimes the water can become cloudy. That means this coconut is not very good. So now it's completely empty. To break this coconut, firmly smash with the back of a knife. I think I still need to smash it into smaller pieces. So I'll just do that. We have the coconut now. The next step is I'm going to peel it. Yes, I'll take off all that brown coat so we can find the white that is inside. I've finished peeling the coconuts and now I'll just slice. You can see that the back is gone. It's now completely white. So slice it. This is the back. Okay. So these sizes are all right because I'm going to put it in the juicer. Put the coconuts in and turn it on. Take this coconut daily as a part of your diet. It helps improve memory. You can do your research and find out a whole lot of things that the coconut does if you take it. And then you can have a spoonful breakfast and at lunch. So now we have the cream of the coconut. You can use this several ways. It's oil based. So I can rub this on my skin, on my hair. We can eat this. Just take a spoonful in the morning and in the afternoon. You will have it along with your meal. It depends on what you want to make. It could go along with a salad. It could go along with any form of meal that you're trying to have. Just have it with it. And then we have the coconut flakes. You can put this along with your oats, your cornflakes, any form of cereal. You can use it to cook rice. That is, after the rice is being cooked, you just put 2 or 3 spoonfuls of this on your rice. So you can put it on a lot of your food. This helps eyes, joints, the brain. Just please do your research and you see how important the coconut is to health. You have the flakes and you have the cream. Please keep them both in the fridge. I'm going to use this to make coconut oil. more care. So you need to be careful. Just and then you have it. So I will crack this and take the flesh out of the coconut. I'll let you see. I have the coconuts out. I'll peel off the back. Make sure it's very thin. You don't need to get large strips. If you are getting large strips, you'll be taking a lot of coconut flesh with it, because we want the whole coconut to be white. Peel it all off, all peeled now. It doesn't have to be perfectly and completely clean, but then now I'm going to cut it into small pieces that I can put into the blender. With water. So just put it in the blender and blended it. I put a cup of water. I'll just give it one more run. And now I'm going to sieve it. Look at my neck. And this is coconut milk. The coconut milk is full fat coconut milk. I will let the oil separate. I'm going to use a transparent jug so that we can see. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator. It will settle and separate. The water will separate from the oil and the oil will float because the oil is lighter. So we'll wait about 12 hours and see the oil separation. That's the beginning of the separation. I can see the water below and the white portion rising to the top. That's the lighter portion, which will be the oil. So just about 1 hour in. It's over 12 hours now, and the milk are separated from the water. The milk is the region that will contain the oil, so it's lighter and so it floats. I'm going to now take it off, put it into a bowl. This is milk. It's thick. To make it transparent, I would have to heat it to a temperature above 100 degrees centigrade. That's the boiling point of water. It will do better in a frying pan with a wider surface area. more exposure to heat. It's been on the fire directly now for 15 minutes. It looks like milk curd as it's breaking up. That's what it looks like. You can see the oil and you can see the coconuts. To clean your utensils that you use in making coconut oil, just put soap and then wipe the oil with newspaper and throw it in the bin, because coconut oil will solidify when it cools. That will affect the plumbing. So I've wiped it, I just put soap in it and I've wiped it clean of oil before I'm going to wash it. So I don't wash the oil into the drainage. Turn off the hob and then let's see if we can get any more oil. It's nice. To take a spoonful of this daily, once in the morning. I will now put it into the jar. We want to make sure it's a wide mouth jar because nut oil is very sensitive to temperature and will freeze when the temperature is low. So if you like my video, just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and please watch my video on how to make oils from avocado. Thank you and bye. This is the coconut oil 24 hours later.